The Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun, along with members of the DORBAR SHNONG Mawlai, the MLA of Mawlai PT SAWKMIE and MDC TEIBOR PATHAW, had met the Minister for Urban Affairs and Municipal Departments SNIAWBHALANG DHAR on 3rd August 2021 to discuss matters related to the dumping ground at Marten, besides other important issues faced by the people of the area. While informing the media on the discussions held, the president of the Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun, BIAM, said that the biomedical waste plant set up near the Marten dumping ground is not up to the mark, thereby posing a threat to the residents of Mawlai. He added that various suggestions were made to the government with regards to the selection of another area for a new dumping ground, since the one at Marten is within residential limits.
Tengi tiang bayi katu kesulap kan duk na tengi kuat kan kumbakan ke puak ke kubet ke bagi beri kan hak kan sedang mas baik kemni dia lada ke ti kesulap nanti ke bah lada ke nyut nang ti lala ban kerja na lada gini kijing ek bangi nang itu kubet kemni kibri alis kilak kan relax lembag ke direm ke badai ga jingsna ke bau pareng la bu ada puak ndai thai meswa kan ni kijing angnut ke jami kita mulai bat undung mulai kuat syuk ke Marten kan dan nanti manu mulai kuat syuk ke jingsma kan nang yai kiu ke SNONG nong kuar lai keduk jing moyong lai keduk jing di adjoining area ki bade hak SNONG mulai hi kan nong jiyur slai area nong pedeng modal baki nong lum yor hat ter hilang kit lang kan jing kan ni jing kata jing kan jing RB ki bami nang ni ngani thu ifi nai wat pukani ru finlai hak moyong hati hak Marten dai mentah mak pukani syu ngalangu ai kan ni belu pukani ru dan syu ang thi mata bang Munda pukuni syu hak sekarang kuar pula lain hakin ni sansnam dulu senam sya dan pukuni hati pak Marten mentam dan pukuni syu ka bombat bakal RB ke bami nak ni ke Marten dai kalau tak hadu kata wat di kimra ngani thu pi wat ko ke bedrin nang tur ni ke ke bedrin nak tu ga nak ti ka wies nang thian ni ka nok sati support dam sai su sam kho sya ya su yam sati te film tip ke bejia tu gi dok khadok nak nang thi te ko ke bami nak tu ga biomedical waste tu takum ka ak ni hajing sisai ke tu ko ke bami nang tu ilawan penengkam masai kali ban mi itu kali bami nak Marten henry ya kata ngi iba ko biomedical waste treatment plant nanti kambia te gini mat ki bangi la stress ya government kan hak ban sim khia te ngi la de kersai ba wala family hak puar kembang mengi nak dia sama perlu mengi kena mulai ngi la bu ke puar te ngi mesti hingin hak banyak disfat kita ngi numpat sang fight kena ka
The Minister in charge of Municipal and Urban Affairs Department, SNIAWBHALANG had informed the media that a joint committee would be constituted, and this would be headed by the CEO of the Municipal Board, BATLANG SOHLIYA, and include members of the Seng Samla Mawlai Pyllun. The committee would discuss all matters related to the Marten dumping ground, the biomedical waste treatment plant, and what can be done to do away with the inconveniences of the residents of the entire Mawlai area.
Don ketuga in continuation dari ketuga joint inspection mengenai inspect bagian ba dengan mulai berkonversasi dengan local MDC kali pokere nilai untuk por bagi ladon bijing put ba hak don isu kat ni in one of official meeting tentang yakot dari kedua ulang bagi negara departemen lagi Seng Samla juga mengatur bagi dewi dekat bagi don local MLA baru local MDC kaji kerana kan ni kejuhi nama kerong ba unung beli rupiah don hijin sungo kia yang ada di Marten tinggal ikan naik fuji mudi tinggal awan dah kejuh hijin mud bah lakat balak ro ngintun klohi ban yo ya kan yulan film tak jam haji ni kamtam di pagi mulai jadi kata ada condition tu committee has been formed first all this minor issue let the committee look at it is the right person both from the official and from the SNONG level that is the right forum
from Mawlai